Hansa Park.
Windy, windy.
Windy, windy. It's the last park of this trip.
Yes.
Park number 18 out of 15. Yeah, we know the numbers is not correct, but that's what happens when you go on a coaster trip in 2022. So anyway, this is Hansa Park. I have some friends up there waving. It's a penguin, right? Ah, look at the clock here. Wow. And it says the date. I like that. Oh, we have a roller coaster. That's a Schwarzkopf over there. We have a drop tower. We have some really nice roller coasters in this park to do, so it's gonna be a lot of fun. We have 7, I think. So 7 more to the count today. If all of them are open, that is, but it looks like it. So by the first start of this park, I can tell you right away, this is really pretty. This is the entrance over here. Really like this park so far. I'm not sure that this was open. Yeah, it was open. I think we're gonna find the entrance to this ride. It's an old Schwarzkopf looping coaster, and that looks really, really fun. Here it comes. This looks fun.
Yeah.
Yeah. Here's the drop tower Highlander. It's pretty tall, I'll tell you. We're not doing that one. Yay! So the Schwarzkopf coaster here is called Nessie.
And they have it in English.
And they have it in English. That's really good. This is the station house, really themed. Also the queue looks really nice here. Good start of this park, I have to tell you. I had some high hopes for Kärnan, that roller coaster, but I didn't have like that much hope for the park being themed. I thought it was more like an amusement park. It is, but you know what I mean. But this looks really, really nice. I like this. Makes me excited. The station house to Nessie. Again, I stand with what we said. This is very themed. Really like the looks of this park this far. First roller coaster is soon done. We have the lack of them deciding to add another train onto the roller coaster right when it was our turn. But anyway, now we're gonna ride Nessie here at Hansa Park. Our first ever ride is gonna be so much fun. First coaster of the day. What do you say?
It was amazing.
It is, right?
It was so good.
That was such a good Schwarzkopf roller coaster. It's hard to say, Anton Schwarzkopf. But anyway, that's a really good roller coaster. I love that loop.
Yeah.
And the first drop is great, but the second one, it kind of takes you with surprise.
Yes.
I think that was so much fun. Let's see if this other roller coaster over here is open, and let's do that one. So that roller coaster was closed, the Royal Scotsman. It was a smaller family coaster. It was closed for now. They're gonna open it later. I saw that they had some like water dummies inside the train, so they are gonna test it and open it soon. So we will get back to that one. Now we're gonna make our way over to one of the other of the 6 coasters that we have left of today. Here's some off-ride footage of Nessie here at Hansa Park. This day started out great, with Nessie being a really fantastic roller coaster. Let's do the second coaster of today. Let's do Crazy Mine. It's a Wild Mouse coaster and Sarah loved those. That's gonna be so much fun. Also looks pretty nice themed station here. So the queue actually is a mine, which looks fantastically cool. And here you have the coaster when you come inside here. Wow, love the train stuff also. They look so nice. It goes in a drop. We just did Crazy Mine.
Yes.
And we said in the queue, it's like, wow, the trains look very comfortable.
Yeah, I take that back. It was kind of rough.
It was hard to fit.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I have to lay my knees like
To the side, yeah.
to get the what is
The
it?
harness.
The harness over it. It was like
Or the restraint.
yeah.
Yeah, anyway, that lap bar maybe, I don't know, we call it a lot of things. Anyway, that was a really fun roller coaster, but we were really stapled in there. We were really stuck. I think that the entrance is here to Kärnan. I think that we should do that. We're doing Kärnan. It has a listed 53-minute waiting time. That's very specific that it's 53 minutes. Anyway, we're gonna stand in line for this. It's gonna be so much fun.
We should buy some popcorn.
Yeah, we should have done that. That's an empty train. Maybe they're adding more trains. I think so. It's so much fun riding Kärnan finally. We're at Hansa Park. So windy here today, but Saris, what do you say about Kärnan?
Oh my god, I think that would be the best thing I ever done.
The word?
No, not in the world, but
No.
it had so much surprises.
Yeah, it does.
So I'm just blown away.
Yeah.
I don't have the words.
No, and we are not gonna tell you, of course, what happens in there.
Oh my god.
But anyway, you have to go and try the Oath of Kärnan, which is called in English. It's a fantastic roller coaster, a number I don't know of the trip, but yeah, we're gonna ride some more anyway. But now time for lunch. We stand by what we have said before. This is a really nice park. Really like the vibe here. I also kind of like that it's very close, or kind of close to Gothenburg. It doesn't take that long to get here. It's a really nice park. I really look at this area, for example. Wild West. I think I found our restaurant while walking here. Yeah, I think that we're gonna go here and have lunch. Cowboys, scrape the shit from your boots before entering. That's a good idea. We had food at an amazing burger restaurant in the Wild West, and that was really, really good. And I think that this Fiesta del Mar, I think this is the new area of the park. I think this is new for 2022, if I'm not wrong. I think they have 2 new rides. Yes, they do. You can see one over there. It's like the turbo we have on Liseberg. Yes, this is the new area. I really like it. It's very, very cute. Look at this. I saw that it even says baños on the toilets. And that's Spanish for toilets, if you didn't know that. We're just strolling around the park, looking on how pretty it is. We really like this park. So nice. We're at Hansa Park in Germany. Sorry for the wind in the camera. I'm doing my best to film here today, but now we're going to do Flucht von Novgorod. This roller coaster here, which looks like a lot of fun also. Very impressed by this park this far.
Oh, it's
really
nice.
So nice.
Very well themed.
Look at the queue here.
Oh.
Yeah, we have a scarecrow down here. I think there's gonna be quite some wait time for this, but it's worth it.
I think this park would look very nice at night.
Oh yeah,
See many lights.
you're right. It could. It's really good. But anyway, it's gonna be Flucht von Novgorod. They have like a nail clipper here.
Hier wird euch nichts geschehen, aber draußen in den Wäldern und am Fluss.
We just did flight from Novgorod or whatever. I don't know the name.
That was also amazing.
It was amazing. That was so much fun.
Yeah.
It was like,
Quite scary at times.
yeah, I liked it. It also had a great theming in the queue. The ride has great theming. It's so much fun. It has some nice elements. Really like the coaster. Maybe we enjoy it extra much today since it's our last park of the trip.
Yeah.
I don't know, but that was so much fun. And also we realized that that was roller coaster number 112 on this trip. So out of 110, we have now done 112. That is so much fun. But the first look of it, Hansa Park looks like a small park, but it actually isn't. It's quite big. It's not that big. It's fast to walk around in. It feels a little bit like Fantasieland in that.
Yeah.
It's like you get fast to all the places, but there's so much things going on in this park and so much things to find. We're trying to find another roller coaster now. Oh, someone is afraid of Flight from Novgorod. The thing is, the coasters in this park is not about the thing that is happening on the outside. It's mostly about the thing that's happening on the inside. You should really, except from the Schwarzkopf though, but you really need to go here. Are you having this amazing view of Kärnan? Fast coaster. It does 127 kilometers per hour. Again, we found a new area of the park here. Find so much things here. I wonder if that's the entrance to the roller coaster, maybe. Could it be? Yes, it is Slanger from Midgard. We're gonna ride that one. It's gonna be so much fun. And then we only have one coaster left in this park. We just rode... What did we ride? Slanger from Midgard.
Midgard.
It was a Gerstlauer family coaster. And honestly, it's really, really nice.
Really nice.
I love Gerstlauers. One of my favorite coasters, easily. Yeah, really, really nice. We're gonna film it now. Slanger von Midgard. Great Gerstlauer family coaster here at Hansa Park. It gives you 2 laps, by the way. The shape of a Viking boat. So that's the first lap. It's gonna do a second one. So much fun. We did Kärnan, or the Oath of Kärnan again.
One more time.
One more time. Yeah, it took forever though.
Yeah.
I think we stood in line for like 45 minutes, but it was clearly worth it. Yeah, it's such a fast and fun roller coaster. I really like that. It is like you should know that it's an intense coaster.
Yeah.
You should think about that. But it's it's a fast one. Really nice roller coaster. We're now gonna walk over to do Royal Scotsman, and then we have done all the coasters of not only this park, but the whole trip. We're gonna get back to you with how many that is, because I need to count again. But I think it's 115, something like that. Now we're doing the Royal Scotsman. It's finally open. This little family coaster here. That's Highlander up there. Not the coaster, that's Nessie. We know that. I have no idea how long it's up there, but it takes forever apparently. There we go. That was the drop tower, and at the same time we have Nessie here at Hansa Park. Did you have fun? Yes. You did? It's a great drop tower. We are not gonna do that. No, we're only here for the coasters. We're on our way to leave Hansa Park. The last park on this trip, and number 18. We're gonna give you a full talk of Hansa Park and all the parks and all the coasters we did on this trip in just a little bit. But first we need to find ourselves some park maps. Hansa Park has a really beautiful entrance. It really does. Love the plants and things hanging up here in the windows. Also have some plants over there. Oh, it's so pretty. And again, the thing they have here with the flowers, you have the date and you also have the clock here. Really nice feature here. One last view of Hansa Park before driving home to Sweden. Guys, we are there.
We found the maps.
We found the maps. No, that's not the point. We are done. That was park number 18 out of 15. That was
2 weeks.
in 2 weeks. That was roller coaster number 114 out of 110. We did so much better than we hoped for. We had so much fun, you have no idea. And thank you so much for following us on this trip. And more to come, of course.
Yeah.
Anyway, this was Hansa Park and the end of our coaster trip. Please remember to like, subscribe, give us comments. It's completely free, and give us some more comments. That's also completely free. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.